those stupid YouTube videos. No one likes them. Now, let me get my freaking beauty sleep. I really appreciate it. No. 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 Rubber pants, get off me. No. Big brother. Big brother. Big brother. Big brother. I must find Big Brother. Messy room. Big Brother.
You scared the crap out of me. Retard.
Who the frig are you?
You look cybergoth, sweetie. Hey guys, this is Jessie Slaughter here. I got my lip pierced and I love Davi Vanity.
He's a freaking freak. My parents are fighting. Yeah, but everyone just be quiet for 2 seconds. You want me to explain the wig and the clothes? These are nothing. Okay, I'm not wearing any underwear. Okay. You guys did not see anything.